Hello. This is a series called Will It Flush? Now this is the shitty toilet in question, but it is like an awesome toilet because it's connected directly to the water supply and has no tank, which means you can do this. So you can flush the toilet, and this is what it does. Now that might not seem too impressive, but you can do this and get it to be much more impressive. Now this series aims to answer the question, what happens when you put things like these fried wontons in the toilet and see if you can make it go down and disappear. Plunging may be required, and as long as it goes through the toilet, it flushes. Now let's see what happens with the fried wontons. Well, they are gone. And the idiot greenkeeper decided to mow the lawn right now, so I will have to stop and resume later.